guys, happy Independence Day. So here I am with Purple Hall, and if you don't know me, hi, I'm Sushmita, and you're watching That Versatile Girl. So today I will be disclosing about my Purple Haul. So yeah, I actually bought couple of stuff from Purple. And for your information, I am shooting at my balcony, that the balcony area I have shown you on my vlogs. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the first product, that is this one, Reset with Skin, and this is like 7 set of sheet mask from the face shop, and ये कुछ से pouch जैसा है. आपको इसको ओपन करना है and you will get all the sheet marks over here. So I can so let me take them out and tell you like क्या क्या sheet mask है. उसमें बहुत सारे categories थे and I felt this one like perfect for my preferences. So that's why मैंने ये buy करा. This is calendula extract, tea tree, blueberry, cucumber, then pomegranate, potato and bamboo. So these are all the sheet marks this pouch contain. So इसके साथ साथ हमको pouch मिल रहा, that to 525. It's not a bad deal. It's like amazing. So yes, so heading towards the second product, that is Reachfill Skin Lightening Lotion. So I bought this to try so that I can give my review on this, and इसका MRP it's like 269, but ये मुझे ऑफर प्राइस में मिला था, so वो भी मैं आपको मेंशन कर दूंगी. and wait, I'll just show you, then I'll let you know. ये कुछ इतने साइज का आता है, आप देख सकते हो. So it's a tiny one, it's like 10 ml, and इसमें लिखा है कि okay, so it has the ingredient list. Let me check. No, it doesn't have an ingredient list. So and yeah, actually इसका directions ये लिखा है, you cannot use this lotion directly on your face. Okay, you need to mix it up in your lotion or your daily creme that you use for your face or for your body, body lotion also you can use it. Like it's a little, put 10 ml of Reachfill lightening lotion in 50 gram of Reachfill anti-blemish cream for any Reachfill massage cream, and massage on your skin. Excellent for blemishes, superficial scars, acne marks and dark circles. So this was the reason I bought this, to be very honest. And though it has already claimed as a lightening lotion and helps in skin fairness, so I feel अगर ये दोनों ही काम करेंगे, so I can recommend to those people जिनका वो day to day या फिर tanning के वजह से आपका natural glow छूट जाता है, या फिर आपका body color and face color differ हो जाता है, तो maybe this can help. So yes, and the offer was as in like previous videos also I've mentioned about this. This is Reachfill Beautiful Naturally Anti-Acne Face Wash with calendula extract, and guys, calendula extract is like amazing for your skin, and it's like very good ingredient for your acne marks, then blemishes, everything. So this is an amazing product. So I got these two for I guess 215 rupees. You can check the description for the proper price. And guys, ये like 160 है, ये 269 है, and दोनों मिला के मुझे ऑफर प्राइस में 215 rupees I guess, if I'm not wrong, वो मिला. And yeah, so this was my second and third product जो मैंने एक ही साथ बोल दिया because वो एक ही साथ मैंने purchase करा था. So heading towards the fourth product, sorry. So this is Reachfill Brahmi hair pack. This helps in nourish, moisturize and conditioner your hair, and this is for all skin type, and the net weight is 500 gram, and this cost me for around 300 rupees. Yes, 300 rupees, and the actual cost is 599, that is 600 approximately. All those were like, you know, the product that was mentioned down, like methyl paraben, paraben and propyl paraben. So it is like, okay. So actually I've already used this product and it's like amazing for your hair. So that's why this is my second tub, I guess. It's like, I mean, huge. It's like a huge tub, you can see, and this will last you like 4 to 5 months आराम से. अगर आपके, you know my I mean the length of my hair, right? So exactly, so you can definitely use it. So yes, and I will review it very soon, like how to use it and what are their you know, I mean, how can you use it. So stay tuned for that. So heading towards the fifth product. So the fifth product I would like to show you is this one, Ridgefield Calendula Anti-Blemish Cream. I bought this to mix it with this one, and yeah, I will definitely, you know, disclose everything about it, like how exactly it worked on my skin. And before that, let me tell you one thing, that I'm doing 1 bottle challenge with Mama Earth, not Mama Earth, Earth Rhythm Aqua Gel Cleanser, and with Dermaco Niacinamide Serum. So yeah, so that video will also come really soon. So this comes in this kind of tub, that anti-blemish cream. So you need to open it like this. There's a foil covering, and the texture is like this, very creamy. You can see this is not at all greasy, so any skin type, like all skin type, can use it for like amazing. And the smell is like so beautiful, like kind of Boro Plus and some sort of that kind of fragrance it has. So yeah, you need to add this lotion to this you know, cream, so that you can use it properly as per the directions. Because क्या होता है ना, कि अगर आप जिस कंपनी ने जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है या फिर प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर किया है, सो दे विल बी बेटर नोइंग दैट हाउ exactly this product gonna work on us. So exactly that's why, and I bought actually these for my younger brother, because he has some acne issues, because वो दिन भर धूप में फुटबॉल ही खेलता रहता है, कुछ भी करो फुटबॉल बाहर, and also that's why, because अगर आपका ये वाले जोन पे एक्ने या फिर पिंपल्स आ रहे हैं, that means this is all because of sun, nothing else. So yeah, heading towards the next product, that is Ridgefield Naturals Calendula Anti-Acne Face Pack. So this anti-acne face pack has ingredients like no ingredient list. So guys, iska like, you know, the base material is light kaolin, then bentonite, sodium methyl paraben. It has sodium propyl paraben and fragrance. I feel if you don't like paraben in your you know, skincare, so you can definitely skip it. Otherwise guys, this, as I said, Ridgefield products are like so amazing, guys. You should give a try. If you are like, you know, if you don't care if there is paraben in your skincare only, like for like 1 to 2 products, it's like fine. अगर आपके सारे paraben free हैं, then you are like into paraben free campaign वाला चीज, then I won't suggest you to go for this. Or else अगर otherwise अगर आप एक बार try कर सकते हो, and if you feel you can try it, so you can definitely go for this product. So let me show it to you how exactly it has. This is a 50 gram product, and ये powder form में आता है. इसका मैंने ओपन किया नहीं है, सो आप इसमें देख सकते हो कि ये पाउडर फॉर्मेट में आता है. सो आपको मिक्स करना है. इट हैज गिवन द इंस्ट्रक्शन that is to mix it with water and apply it all over the face for 20 minutes. For stubborn acne mark, a paste of the pack apply only on pimples every night. Wipe with a wet sponge when dry and wash it off with Ridgefield Calendula Anti-Acne Face Wash. So guys, I feel that if you should give it a try, because it's like amazing one, and the packaging also pretty decent. And this cost me for like this cost me around 100 something, but it has MRP as 200 rupees. So again, there's a very good buy, I feel. And let's move to this next product, that is NY Bay primer. And this really blends like a dream, hydrating in nature, lightweight formula, minimizes pores, smoothens skin, perfect base to flawless look. Yes, so like I literally liked it, and like this is not that great, but it's like amazing for the beginners. Okay, like it's amazing, guys. You should have a try, because you know it's like 15 gram, and I got it for something like 200 rupees, and this MRP has us 225 rupees. So again, a discount of 25 rupees. So I don't think this is a bad deal. So you can go for this and try this out. If you feel that you actually loved it, then you can repurchase it. So yeah, this is my next, I mean, seventh product. So my next product is this one. This is NY Bay Highline That Kiss, is the lip liner, and you can use this as well as a kajal, and it has like this shade. Such a pretty shade this is. Let me swatch it for you. You can see this is the color. It's like so beautiful color, guys. I just loved it. I just love this color. So what I'm thinking is I will be purchasing few more colors, and as a kajal I will be using it, because you know poppy eyes is like something I love. So the next product is this one, and this is Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl Waterproof Eyeliner, and it has an amazing wand like this, you guys. This is like amazing. Even I have applied that to my lashes, and you can see like so amazingly they are thick. So I really love this. So yeah, I would also suggest to go for this one. And this also I got in a discount. Every prices will be in the description. Please do check that, and the links are also there. And don't worry, मैं उन links से कुछ पैसे वैसे नहीं कमा रही हूँ. So you can definitely go and click that link and get to the product to buy. So yes. So yeah, guys, and that's all. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope some of the products may help you if you have any problem like for the skin. And I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for sharing so much of love to me. And do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and like my video, share this video with your family members, so that I will be more motivated to shoot more videos and share my ideas, my views on the products. So yes, thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye bye.